Good morning. When there are more than one accused, if it is more than five and more, they add 120B, 149, 147, 143. They are less than 5, then they may add 35, 36, etc. So, how to segregate and get an acquittal? That person who is charged for offence read with 34 is vital, predominant skill work of the defense counsel. So you should be very careful while cross-examining the witness, because sometimes your cross-examination may implicate the co-accused or conviction under section 34 also. The witnesses does not speak anything about. You simply leave his evidence as it was. That would may help you at the time of arguing. Then you have to carefully go through the questions asked under section 313 CRPC and what all are the evidence to convict you, whether there was a specific allegations, specific questions put to the accused who was charged under section 34. If that was not there, the conviction may be set aside or there may be a reframing of 313 questions. Say here a good case of Supreme Court wherein they have acquitted an accused who was charged for an offence on section 302 read with 34. AR 2021 Supreme Court 1547 Ramesh Ailash Dabinder Singh vs State of Himachal Pradesh. The case was that the A3 was tried along with two others for offences 302, 323 and 34, read with 34. Then they say there was some misunderstanding, so they went to the relative on the fateful day, and when they were about to touch the feet, they started abusing and quarreling with the complainant. Then the shirt of the husband of the complainant was torn. Then they left the place by motorcycle. When they reached, when they hurriedly left the spot by motorcycle, then when reached near a school, his purse was dropped. Therefore, when he was about to get down, he was assaulted by two accused. Then that resulted the death. Then one of the witness hid herself and thereafter found his accompanied person dead. This had happened. However, PW7 turned hostile, and so there are several about 7 injuries. After this, the trial court convicted all the 3 accused. Imprisonment for life and 3 years. Then appeal prepared. Second appeal before the High Court was dismissed. Therefore, one of the SLP was also dismissed. The third accused prepared this criminal appeal. Then they say, after referring 3 important Supreme Court cases about the principle of Rule 34, Section 34, about the meeting of mind of principal culprit and his companions, then only fixing the liability for conviction. Then they say that then unless when the person accompanies the principal culprit, whether shares his intention or not, is the area where the evidence of the witnesses should be appreciated. Therefore, whether the accompanied person should be convicted along with the main culprit who actually indulged in the overt act. Then they say, in the given case, the third accused did not armed with any weapon. Only he assaulted PW6 with chapel. For that only 323 was murder. This was observation of the Supreme Court. Then they say there was no evidence for in furtherance of common intent and to share the main culprit intention to commit murder. Therefore, they give benefit of doubt to the appellant and convicted. Go through the entirety of judgment. It may help you. About yesterday's elections result, despite the COVID pressure, despite the alarming trend of hurricane spread of COVID, the election commission somehow managed the results. In West Bengal, the Iron Lady gained over her strength only with the support of public, despite the other side fertilized lot of influence, financial, political, election commissions, excessive power, but they could not succeed. That shows the people, if you are with you, nobody can prevent your re-election. Like that, Kerala, by astonishing performance during last year COVID and present COVID period, Pinarayi Vijay again regained the power. In Tamil Nadu, it is just even scale voting, only with a few hard 20 or few thousands of votes. The mathematical democracy won the elections. However, let there be a change of government. The man who was elected have got much experience in 10 years as opposition political leader, experienced a lot of the practical difficulties of the public, who according to him said to have experience by this rule. The other allegations, misrule, corruptions, I don't think this present government may concentrate on that, rather in protecting the people from this COVID invasion for time being. Nobody can deny that in this present election only money power, which could be circulated deeply with the cadre strength, only can win the elections. Unfortunately, Kamala Hassan was defeated, but there is no use for his election as a MLA, which is far away from his headquarters, residence. Better what had happened, let the Vanati Srinivasan, a brave Iron Lady who commenced her political career from her childhood, always fight for the causes, a fit person to be the president of our Bharatiya Janata Party. Let her concentrate again in fielding the original Bharatiya Janata Party, when increasing strength of the Bharatiya Janata Party only with the like-minded person, instead counting the numbers as it was done earlier. However, it is up to you all or other political leaders. They had a good fun, and I think this will put an end to all the other political gimmicks practice. Best wishes.